You're going to sing the song that I saw and with Vic on the Late Late Show the other night?
Well, you know, I'll have to get my hat and cane that's necessary for this refrain, huh? You don't mind, do you?
No, go right ahead, John. Whatever you need.
Because my hair is curly and because my teeth are pearly and just because I always wear a smile and suits to dress up in the latest styles. Gee, I'm glad I'm living. Why I take troubles all with a smile. While folks will shine up to you, everyone will howdy do you. You'll make the whole world shine. Yeah. Oh, boy. Yeah. Woo, I'm glad that's over.